The overall goal of this protocol is to produce baculovirus in insect cell culture, purify with heparin affinity chromatography, and concentrate with ultracentrifugation. The final product can be used for in vivo gene transfer or as a vaccine.
This method can help researchers who want to use purified and concentrated baculovirus for gene therapy application. Baculovirus particles may contain cellular debris and proteins from SF9 culture, which may induce inflammation or an immune response when used in vivo. To avoid toxicity, baculovirus is purified and separated from contaminating particles. Some parts of the procedure will be demonstrated by Marilyn Narciso, a research assistant from my laboratory.
To set up the suspension culture, seed 50 milliliters of SF9 cells in insect culture medium into a 250 milliliter polycarbonate Erlenmeyer flask and place the flask in an orbital shaker incubator. Add 2 milliliters of P2 baculovirus stock to the cells and shake at 135 RPM while maintaining a constant temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. 4 days after infection, the entire SF9 cell population will show cytopathic effect, which is an indication of high-titer baculovirus production. Sequentially amplify the baculovirus until the desired volume is obtained by increasing the volume of cell culture in each subsequent infection 10 to 50-fold. After centrifuging the final baculovirus supernatant for 30 minutes at 1000 G and 4 degrees Celsius to separate the coarse cellular debris, transfer the supernatant to a